Good evening, ma'am. I'm Jane Dela Perselo Padria. So now I'm going to report about the interplay of fluid mechanics and marine biology. Fluid mechanics and marine biology are closely like as the movement and behavior of marine life are deeply influenced by the properties of water. Fluid mechanics studies the motion of liquids and gases, while marine biology examines life in aquatic environments. Together, these fields reveal how organisms interact with water adapt to its physical properties. Marine species rely on fluid mechanics for movement, feeding, and survival. Fish and marine mammals use streamlined body shapes to minimize drag, optimizing energy efficiency as they swim. Plankton, on the other hand, utilize water currents for passive transportation, relying on fluid dynamics to distribute themselves throughout the ocean. Fluid mechanics also plays a vital role in nutrients and oxygen distribution. Ocean currents, waves, and turbulence facilitate the transfer of essential resources to marine organisms. Coral reefs, for example, depend on water flow to deliver nutrients to their polyps, while filter feeders like mussels and barnacles thrive in areas of high flow. In marine biology, understanding fluid mechanics helps explain how predators capture prey and how organisms like jellyfish and squid use jet pro- propulsion. It also it also aids in the study of human impacts such as pollution, dispersion, and the effects of climate change on ocean circulation. This interplay highlights the necessity of interdisciplinary approaches to understand and protect marine ecosystems, ensuring the balance of life in aquatic environment. Thank you, ma'am.